A pair of F-35A Lockheed Martin fighter jets have landed on a motorway for the first time, footage from the Norwegian military showed, a step that enables them to reduce vulnerable time on the ground in times of war. The two Royal Norwegian Air Force aircraft landed in Tervo, central Finland, on September 21 afternoon as part of a military exercise. Immediately after landing, refueling was carried out with the engines running, a so-called hot pit refueling, the Norwegian military said, before the planes took off again. Fighter jets are vulnerable on the ground, so by being able to use small airfields, and now motorways, increases our survivability in war, Major General Rolf Folland, chief of the Royal Norwegian Air Force, said in the statement. Finland, which joined NATO in April, shares a 1,300 kilometers border with Russia. Norway is a founding member of the alliance. Another type of F-35, the F-35B, which is able to land vertically, has landed on roads before. This was a first for this particular version of the F-35 jet, which cannot land vertically.